Dear all, in a horoscope, the Lord of the 10th house from the ascendant, being in the 6th house, gives the person debt burden and mental distress. Accordingly, for a person born in the Scorpio as the ascendant, the 10th house from the ascendant is the Leo. So, the Lord of the 10th house from the ascendant, the Leo, is the Sun. If it is in the 6th house from the ascendant, it gives the person debt burden and mental distress. The Scorpio, the ascendant, the Leo, the Sun, Lord of the Leo in the 6th house, debt burden and mental distress.